Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back to another episode of 90 Pine Life. Today's episode is going to be about a valve cover gasket that I'm replacing on this 2007 Ford Fusion SEL 4-door. This has a 2.3 liter 140 cubic inch engine with the inline 4-cylinder. As you can see, I've already pulled off the valve cover itself, which is right here. Give you guys a look at that. It's a plastic valve cover. This is, of course, the bottom, the valve cover gasket is a 3-piece gasket. You have one that runs along the outside edge here, and then you have, it's a 4-piece. This is a 4-piece gasket kit. I have not put in the new gasket yet. This is the old gasket. You've got the one that runs along the outside of the cover, and then you have 3 more that run along the inside of the interior portion of the cover. Each of these holes, of course, the coil boots drop into those. So this is cylinder 1 here, cylinder 2, cylinder 3. This is your cylinder head temperature gauge, which is right here. And then the other part of it that it connects to is right there. And this, of course, is cylinder 4. So I'm going to be replacing all of these gaskets. Why? Because I was going to do a spark plug change on this vehicle, and the first spark plug I pulled out, the spark plug was full of oil, and the spark plug well itself was full of oil as well. So I thought, okay, that's a pretty good telltale sign that the valve cover gasket is leaking somewhere. And then sure enough, as I pulled out spark plug 2, spark plug 3, and then finally spark plug 4, all 4 of the wells were filled up with oil as well. Now, I've cleaned out the wells as best as I could. Alright, see, I got a few pieces of fabric that fell down there from the cover, or the towel that I used to cover it up with. But you'll notice that the worst of the buildup is actually in well number 2 and well number 3. And the light really isn't doing this justice. But there's a tremendous amount of oil buildup in both of those wells. So, like I said, I'll be replacing the, I bought a complete gasket kit. I'm also going to be replacing the coil on plug boots, which goes from my thumb down to here, and then of course over the spark plug itself. I ordered a set of 4 of those. I'm not going to be replacing the coils themselves. I have no reason to. I haven't gotten any codes related to those, so I won't be replacing the coils. Those are also extremely expensive. So the oil, the valve cover gasket kit I ordered, and then I ordered the coil on plug boots as well. So I'll be replacing those items on this 2007 Ford Fusion. I've cleaned up, pretty well cleaned up the inside of this plastic, and I'm going to be scraping off the outside where the gasket, valve cover gasket sits and gets bolted on a little bit more. I've cleaned it off with a rag, so I've got the big chunks off, but I'd like to get, see right even there, there's a piece of part of the old gasket is stuck right there. You want to make sure you get all of that off, and you want this surface to be as completely flat and debris clean as possible so that it doesn't leak anywhere once you put, obviously you tighten down your new valve cover gasket. And also another thing to mention with this particular vehicle, all of the screws are actually part of the cover itself. They do not come out. You loosen them, but they stay with the cover. And I actually thought that was a nice feature myself, because it's one less thing to lose. I haven't cleaned off the top of the cover yet. I'll get around to doing that with brake cleaner. And like I said, I'm just doing this slowly because I haven't actually gotten the valve cover kit or the boots in yet, so I have plenty of time. But you also notice along the edge of the top of the motor, you can see all this oil build up, and that's another telltale sign that your valve cover gasket is leaking. Yeah, that's my daughter talking in the background. So you can see all that oil caked up everywhere. And this vehicle actually has 230,000 miles on it. And I'm guessing that the valve cover gasket has never been changed on this vehicle. Now it's just a guess, but feeling this gasket and how absolutely hard it is and not pliable whatsoever, it gives me that inclination. That, and alongside all of the oil that you see there built up along the edge of the upper top of the motor. So I'll probably do part 2 of what it all looks like once I get it put back together. There was a lot of disconnecting electronics in order to get the room and make the room for the actual valve cover to come off. You can see electronics, I mean, they're everywhere. They're tucked away everywhere. That was probably the bulk of the time, was disconnecting clips and rearranging the wiring so that I had enough room to access this properly. So that's part 1 of changing your valve cover gasket on 2007 Ford Fusion SEL 4-door. As I mentioned, this is a 2.3 liter 140 cubic inch engine with the inline 4. I hope this video was useful for you. If it was, please smash that like button. And if you're new here and you like what you're seeing, please consider subscribing. We'd really appreciate the support. And until next time, from Knotty Pine Life, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you next time.